Some of the attributes of the smoker. It's a 55-gallon drum. It's got an upgraded thermometer. It has upgraded side handlebars, which are heat resistant. It has a heat shield inside to block off the plate. 3-inch casters, and there are 4 of them around. An adjustable diffuser plate, and I'll show you that later on. Rib hanger and hooks. A lid hinge. Long uprights are the vents. Charcoal basket. 2 cooking racks, and it's powder coated with the powder coat guaranteed for up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to be taking out some of the pieces of this smoker so you can see exactly what's there. This is the rib hanger, and these are the little clips that go on the rib hanger. That's part of the package. Got a regular grill grate, and this is the same as the grill grates they're in, a 22-inch WSM, a 22-inch Weber, and other drum smokers, so it's pretty standard. This is my second grill grate. Now this is an upgrade over the standard, so it's an additional price for that. Very heavy duty, and you can get it customized with whatever you want on it. This is the diffuser plate, and I mentioned to you before that it had the ability to, there's 2 plates, and you can, hard to do on the ground, but you can rotate it around to close it off totally, or you can leave it open for whatever you want for more heat to get in or smoke. And this is very heavy, but I can lift it. This is the grill basket. It's also very heavy duty. And this actual basket can be an upgrade. Today is going to be the first initial burnout of the smoker. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the inside of it with some oil. You can use any kind of oil you wish. This just happens to be avocado oil, but you can use canola oil, vegetable oil, or whatever, just to spray it in. If you want to get really adventuresome, you can take some oil like lard or something like that and just wipe down all the parts and components of the smoker and burn it off. The reason for doing this, number 1, to burn off any residual manufacturing chemicals, and 2, to season it so that it'll be more resistant to rust. I've got a couple of tumbleweeds in there, along with a full basket of charcoal, and I'm getting ready to light it up. Here we go. Decided to get windy out here, so wind's blowing pretty strong. In addition, I've got the vents open, in addition to the vent on the top.